Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Today's top tier recipe is air fryer barbecue jerk chicken legs. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I am passionate about teaching you how to make top tier recipes at home. If you enjoy this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Now let's get you cooking. A major Glam Kitchen key is all ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. The exact measurements are listed there if you need it. Now, before I cook my chicken, I always clean it. Y'all know I am in the I wash my meat ministry. If you don't want to wash yours, baby, do your thing. But I've cleaned mine in vinegar and citrus. If you're washing your meat, make sure that you pat the chicken legs dry. First, you want to go in with your Glam Kitchen all-purpose adobo seasoning, a little Badia complete seasoning, Walkerwood jerk seasoning. I use the mild because I don't really like really spicy food, but they also sell a spicy version of it. Garlic powder, onion powder, ground allspice. As a reminder, all of the ingredients and instructions I listed at the link in my description box, and then some browning. Now that I've added all of my ingredients to my chicken, I'm gonna give it a good mix. Take your time on this part because you want all of your seasonings to be evenly coated on these chicken legs. As you can see, I am literally working the seasoning in, on, and around all of the drumsticks because I want my chicken well seasoned. We are now all done. Our chicken is seasoned, and now let's get ready to put them in the air fryer. Next, we're gonna air fry our chicken legs for about 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees. You may need to adjust your cook time depending on the type of air fryer you're using or the size of the chicken legs. The last thing we're gonna do is add about a half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I use Sweet Baby Ray. Now let's toss these in the sauce. We're gonna just make sure we're tossing them so that that barbecue sauce is evenly distributed on all of our chicken legs. And these are ready to be served. Like, I'm literally a chicken wing type of girl, but let me tell y'all something about these chicken legs. They did what needed to be done. They were absolutely delicious. After only 25 to 30 minutes of cook time, we literally have some delicious barbecue jerk chicken. Now, my question for you is, are you gonna have the pineapple soda or the cola champagne with these? Leave it in the comments. I actually went with the pineapple. And that is a wrap on our air fryer barbecue jerk chicken legs. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure that you like and subscribe to this video. Bye-bye.